sana, because I feel after actually going through their recommendations, observations, I feel it was very unfair for the committee to just say that the petitioner should refer the matter to appropriate bodies, as the Senate is not mandated to arbitrate or adjudicate private disputes. Mr. Speaker, the bottom line is that Mr. Otieno never received justice. So just by us as a committee ignoring, I think the committee deserved to go a step further and even try to give some kind of reprieve or advice for Mr. Otieno, because Mr. Otieno in this matter is a member of the public, and when members of the public come to the Senate, they hope, like we as their representatives, are going to look into their issues and speak on their behalf. So we can also not be part of the tossing that they are undergoing out there, Mr. Speaker, because for them to come to Parliament, they are looking at Parliament as the last resort for them. So, Mr. Speaker, I feel like for me, the committee recommendations are not convincing enough, because Mr. Otieno has not received the justice that he needed, because some of the facts are not disputed. Like the sugarcane was destroyed, they have not disputed that. So when you say he needs to look for other avenues for him to get compensation, I really fail to understand, because already it's been proven that the sugarcane was destroyed and different assessment was done, and what is the discussion here is there were different amounts of compensation that were actually suggested. Maybe that should have been the point of discussion, not tossing him around to look for other avenues of getting redress, Mr. Speaker.